Hi students, welcome to the third session. Now in previous session, some examples we discussed and exercise 5.1. First question already done, second question I gave homework. Next coming to third one, examine the following functions. Examine the following functions for continuity. Now in this first question, A, f of x equal to x minus 5. Now every polynomial is always continuous, that already we know. Otherwise, we will take one symbol that x is equal to a is any real number. For real number continuous means it is continuous for all numbers. So here let x is equal to a is any real number. When it is any real number, a restriction is not there. That's why we use first definition. Limit extends to a f of x is equal to limit extends to a f of x, what is given, x minus 5. In the place of x substitute a, that is a minus 5. You'll find the function value at a, directly substitute in that a minus 5. Now both are equal, so limit extends to a, f of x value equal to f of a. That's why it is clearly satisfied for any real number. Therefore f is continuous for all real numbers. Next, b what they given, f of x is equal to 1 by x minus 5, where x is not equal to 5. Now here, so this is also a reciprocal term here. So what you will take here, let x is equal to a, that a is compulsory not equal to 5, is any real number x up to 5. Okay. Same limit of the function and function value. Same condition. Limit extends to a f of x equal to limit extends to a, what is f of x? X minus 1. Substitute in the place of x is a. So 1 by a minus 5. Now from this, next we will find function value. Directly substitute in the function, that is 1 by a minus 5. Again, which values are equal here? Limit extends to a f of x equal to limit extends to f of x equal to what? F of a. Therefore, f is continuous for all real numbers except x is not equal to 5. Next, third question. The third question what they given, or C we can take. C is f of x equal to x square minus 25 by x plus 5, where x is not equal to minus 5. Same manner we are taking here, let x is equal to a, which is clearly not equal to minus 5, is any real number except minus 5. Okay. Now in this, same, we will take limit extends to a, f of x equal to limit extends to a, what is f of x? X square minus 25 by x plus 5. Before substituting, we need to simplify this. Now to simplify this, limit extends to a, x square minus 25, I can take x square minus 5 square, a square minus b square, x plus 5 into x minus 5 divided by x plus 5. Here x plus 5 gets cancelled. Now substitute the limit, that is a minus 5. Similarly, function value, f of a equal to what? A square minus 25 by a plus 5. Numerator we can write a square minus b square formula. From that we can write a plus 5 into a minus 5 divided by a plus 5. Again these two values gets cancelled. We will get the required value a minus 5. Again limit value and function value both are equal. limit extends to a f of x equal to f of a. That's why it is continuous for all real numbers except at minus 5. Therefore, f is continuous for all real numbers except x is not equal to minus 5. Next, question number 4. Prove that the function f of x equal to x power n is continuous at x equal to n, where n is positive integer. Same function is given and x value also given. At that point we need to check. You don't need to use second formula LHL RHS because less than greater than kind restrictions not given. We use first definition only. Limit extends to n f of x equal to limit extends to n. What is f of x? X power n. In the place of x substitute n power n. Next f of n to the power of n only. Therefore, limit value and function value both are same. Limit extends to n f of x equal to f of n. Limit value, function value both are equal. Therefore, we can write f is continuous at x is equal to n. Next, question number 5 is the function defined by f of x equal to x if x less than or equal to 1. 5 if x greater than 1. Continuous at x equal to 0 question mark, at x equal to 1 question mark, at x is equal to 2 question mark. We need to check the continuity at 0, 1 and 2. At 3 points we need to check the continuity. Now in this, first at x is equal to 0 I will check. But a 0 symbol is not there in the function clearly. But 0 at what condition will come? 0 is clearly less than 1. So 0 less than 1 means which function we need to take here? X. So at 0 you want to check means f of x is only single function, that is x. That's why we can verify here clearly. Limit extends to 0, f of x equal to limit extends to 0, f of x is what? X. X value 0 substitute in the function. Now f of 0 what will come? 0. That's why here also limit of the function and function value both are same. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to 0. Next, at x equal to 1. But at x is equal to 1, restrictions given less than 1, greater than 1 and equal to 1. Here we need to use second definition of continuity, LHL, RHL and f of a, because there is a restriction at 1. So here first LHL I will find out. Limit extends to 1 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 1 minus. 1 minus means what? X is less than 1. At x less than 1, what is the function is there? X. In the place of x substitute 1, that power minus represent LHL less than 1. Next, coming to RHL, right hand limit. Limit extends to 1 plus f of x. So limit extends to 1 plus. 1 plus meaning what? X is greater than 1. More than 1, what is the function is there? 5. It is a constant. We are not able to substitute x value in this. 5 is 5 only, no changes. Next, f of 1 At x equal to 1, what is the function? X. What is x value? 1. But here LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, f is not continuous or discontinuous. Not continuous at x is equal to 1. So coming to next, at 2 we need to check. At x is equal to 2. While checking at x is equal to 2, x2 not there in the question clearly. But x2 where will come? 2 is greater than 1. That's why x greater than 1, what is the function is there? 5. That's why for greater than 2 checking continuity, function is clearly only a single function, that is 5. So here no need to use LHL or RHL, directly using x tends to 2, f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2, what is f of x? 5. So 5 is 5 only, no changes. F of 2 also what? F of 2. If there is no x symbol to substitute x value 2, so 5 is 5 only. Again here what happened? Limit value and function value both are equal. Therefore, f is continuous at x is equal to 2. So next, all questions we need to verify this. Find all points of discontinuity. Discontinuity of f, comma, where f is defined by. Now this all questions models are from 6 to 12 same. You need to find the points of discontinuity. Sixth question, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x less than or equal to 2, 2x minus 3 if x greater than 2. Here we need to find points of discontinuity, means we need to check the continuity at all conditions, at less than 2, at greater than 2, at 2. Now if you verify at left side, right side at the point, means we can identify where the function will becomes discontinuous. Okay. First, because they not mentioned check continuity at 2 only. If at 2 means we can use directly LHL, RHL, f of a. They not mention the point, they given condition, that's all. From these conditions we need to verify where this points function will becomes discontinuity. First, case 1. Now case 1 I am taking x is equal to a, that is less than 2. Less than 2 have several number of real numbers. We are not able to take one x value, okay. That's why we are taking symbol. Now at less than 2, what is the function is defined here? 2x plus 3, here single function, that's why we need to use first definition. So limit x tends to a, f of x equal to limit x tends to a, 2x plus 3, substitute x value 2a plus 3. Next, f of a, that also what will get? 2a plus 3. So a limit value and function value both are equal, that's why it is a continuous. F is continuous for all at what values? Less than 2. Next, case 2, x equal to 2. Okay, here symbol is not required. At 2 we need to check. That's why how to check continuity at 2, because at 2 restrictions are there, less than, greater than. That's why definition wise we need to use LHL. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means what? X is less than 2. At less than 2, what is the function is there? 2x plus 3. Substitute in the place of x is 2. 2 2s are 2 into 4. 4 plus 3 how much? 7. Next, RHL. Coming to RHL, limit extends to 2 plus f of x equal to limit extends to 2 plus means what? X is greater than 2. Greater than 2, what is the function is there? 2x minus 3. Substitute x value. 2 2s are. Now 4 minus 3 how much? 1. Next I will find out f of 2. At x equal to 2, what is the function? 2x plus 3. Now what is x value? 2. 2 into 2 plus 3, that is 7. But here LHL is 7, RHL is 1. LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, F is discontinuous. At where? 2. Next, we need to check one more case. 2 only greater than 2. At x is A, that A is more than 2. Because more than 2 have several values. We are not able to take single value, that's why we are taking symbol A. More than 2, what is the function is defined? What is the function? 2x minus 3. Here, single function, that will use first definition. Limit extends to a, f of x is equal to limit extends to a. What is f of x? 2x minus 3. Substitute x value, that is 2a minus 3. Now find the function value. Directly substitute the x value in that function, that is 2a minus 3. Here what we can consider, limit extends to a, f of x value equal to f of a. Therefore, f is continuous for all x value is greater than 2. That means only at 2 it is a point of discontinuity. At less than 2, at greater than 2, function is a continuous. Next, question number 7. Solve our same models. F of x equal to set of first function mod x plus 3 if x less than or equal to minus 3, minus 2x if minus 3 less than x less than 3, 6x plus 2 if greater than or equal to 3. Here are 2 points function is defined. At that point we need to check for left side, right side at the point for 2 values. Now first you will check at less than minus 3, okay? Case 1. At x is equal to a, clearly less than minus 3. Here I am taking symbol less than minus 3, we have several real numbers. So what is the function is defined here? Clearly mod x plus 3. When x value is negative, mod x will becomes what here? Minus x plus 3. Here also single function will apply first definition. Limit extends to a, f of x is equal to limit extends to a, what is f of x? Minus x plus 3. That is minus a plus 3. F of a, that is also what? Minus a plus 3. Here again what happened? Limit value and function value both are equal. Therefore, f is continuous for all x is less than minus 3. Case 2. Less than minus 3 over next x equal to minus 3. At x is equal to point we need to check means we need to check LHL, RHL and f of a. First LHL, limit extends to minus 3 power minus. This is value, this symbol represent left hand side. F of x equal to limit extends to minus 3 minus less than minus 3, what is the function is there? Mod x plus 3. Substitute x value minus 3, mod of minus 3 plus 3. Mod of negative is positive, 3 plus 3 that is 6. Next to RHL, limit extends to minus 3 power plus f of x equal to limit extends to minus 3 plus. Now minus 3 plus means what? More than minus 3. x greater than minus 3 or minus 3 less than x. This is the condition is there. So minus 3 less than x means x value is more than minus 3. What is the function is there? Minus 2x. Substitute in the place of x is minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3, that is plus 6. Next, function value f of minus 3. At x equal to minus 3, what is the function? Mod x plus 3, x value is minus 3. So mod of minus 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Here LHL value, RHL value, f of 3 minus 3 value. All 3 values are equal. That's why we can say that f is continuous at x is equal to minus 3. Coming to case 3. In case 3, values wise. Next what? These two conditions over. For x greater than minus 3 less than 3, for both values, what is the function? Single function. So directly we can take third condition is minus 2, minus 3 less than a less than 3. That means a lies between minus 3 to plus 3. Here also we have a single function. What that single function? Minus 2. Again separately not required because combinedly given minus 3 less than x less than 3. In this, in between minus 3 to plus 3, again we have infinite number of values. Minus 2.9, minus 0, minus 1, 0, 1.1, 1.2 like that. We are not able to check at one value. That's why we are using symbol in the place of x. Now a single function, that's is first definition. Limit extends to a, f of x is equal to limit extends to a. What is f of x? Minus 2x. That is minus 2a. Next, f of a is also minus 2a. Therefore, your limit value and function value both are equal. Therefore, f is continuous for all. Which value? Minus 3 less than x less than 3. For that complete condition over. Next, in third one, x greater than 3 and x equal to 3. Here also we can take a combined linears are not possible because checking at greater than 3 is different first formula. At equal to 3 means you have to use second definition. That's why we need to find separately for these both conditions. Case 4. Case 4, first I will take at x is equal to a, that is greater than 3. Greater than 3 means more than 3. What is the function? Single function, that is 6x plus 2. Now, first single function means use first definition. Limit extends to a, f of x is equal to limit extends to a. What is f of x? 6x plus 2. That is substitute x value 6a plus 2. Next, f of a value, that is also 6a plus 2. From this, limit value and function value both are equal. Therefore, f is continuous for all x is greater than 3. Next, case number 5. Now finally, what is the x equal to 3? At 3 we need to check the continuity. So at x equal to 3, checking at the point means we need to use LHL because x less than 3, x greater than 3, x equal to 3. 3 values given. LHL equal to limit extends to 3 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 3 minus. 3 minus means what? X is less than 3. X less than 3, what is the function? Minus 2x. Substitute x value in this. Minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. RHL value, limit extends to 3 plus f of x equal to limit extends to 3 plus means x is greater than 3. At greater than 3, what is the function is there? 6x plus 2. 6 into 3 plus 2. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Next, f of 3 value. At x equal to 3, what is the function again? 6x plus 2. That's why x value 3. 6 into 3 plus 2, that is also 20. But here LHL value is not equal to RHL. Both are not equal. Therefore, f is discontinuous at x equal to 3. That means in overall function at 3 only point of discontinuity, at remaining all values it is a continuous function. Next, 8th question, f of x equal to mod x by x if x not equal to 0, 0 if x equal to 0. Here mod x is involved here clearly. When mod x is involved, we need to apply not equal to 0 means what? Either negative value or positive value. But negative not same for negative and positive. Mod x is different. We need to define this. How to define? If x is less than 0, mod x will becomes minus x. So minus x by x means minus 1. Next, if x is greater than 0, mod x will becomes x. X by x is 1. If x is equal to 0, what is the function? 0. 3 conditions again you are getting. We need to verify for less than 0 values, for greater than 0 values, and at 0 also, because all 3 are not same for all conditions. Now first case 1, same model my easy, at x is equal to a is less than 0, because less than 0 have infinite number of real number, that's why we are taking one symbol. You have only single function, that is f of x is what? Minus 1. First, limit value and function value. Limit extends to a, f of x is equal to, limit extends to a, f of x is what? Minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. F of a also what? Minus 1, because there is no x symbol in this, it will be vanished, completely only constant. So limit extends to a, f of x is equal to f of a. From this what we can conclude? F is continuous for all x is less than 0. Case 2. What is case 2 here? At x is equal to a, which is more than 0. For more than 0, what is the function is defined here? The function is clearly 1. It's a constant function. So here limit extends to a, f of x is equal to, limit extends to a, f of x is what? 1. So 1 equal to 1 only you will get. Next, f of 1, function value, f of 1 also what will you get? 1 only. Here what? Limit value and function value same. F of a, okay. Not 1 more, because where a is less than, greater than 0. So here what you can define, f is continuous for all x greater than 0. Finally, last case, case 3. Case 3 what? At point we need to check. At x is equal to 0. To check less than 0, okay, single function, greater than 0, single function. But at 0 we need to check means here conditions given less than, greater than 0. So we need to use second definition LHL, RHL and f of 0. When these 3 values equal only, we can conclude that function is continuous at x equal to a. Okay. LHL equal to limit extends to 1 minus. This minus symbol represents, 0 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 0 minus. 0 minus means what? X is less than 0. What is the function? Minus 1. We can't substitute x value here, that's why it is minus 1 only. RHL. Limit extends to 0 plus f of x equal to limit extends to 0 plus. When extends to 0 plus, what is the function is there? 1. That is equal to 1. Next, f of 0. F of 0 means at 0, what is the function? 0. Here what happened? All 3 values are not equal. All are defined, but all 3 are not equal. LHL is not equal to, RHL is not equal to f of 0. That means clearly f is discontinuous at x equal to 0. Therefore, f is discontinuous at x equal to 0. Next question. Ninth one. So ninth question, f of x equal to x by mod x if x less than 0, minus 1 if x greater than or equal to 0. For less than 0, mod x will becomes what? Minus x. X by minus x, that will get what? X cancel, minus 1. If x less than 0, minus 1 if x greater than or equal to 0. For negative values, same function. For positive, same function. For 0 also, same function. That's why it's a single function, minus 1. F of x is minus 1 for all x belongs to R. Because real number contains negative values, positive values and 0. That's why the combination of all these three function values same. That's why it's a single function only. F of x is equal to minus x for all x belongs to R. Directly also you can verify f is a constant function, is always constant function, therefore f is always continuous for all x belongs to R. Reason is very clear. Every constant function means is a line. Straight line is always a continuous. That's why it is a continuous for all real numbers. Next, 10th question and 11th question I will give homework. Reason, same model, verifying less than 0, less than a value, greater than a value and point at the point. F of x equal to set of first function x plus 1, if x greater than or equal to 1, x square plus 1 if x is less than 1. Same case 1, x is equal to a, that is less than 1. Case 2, x is equal to a, that is greater than 1. And finally at x equal to 1. Okay, na? 11th one, x cube minus 3 x greater than or equal to 2, x square plus 1 if x is somewhere less than x less than or equal to 2, here x is greater than 2. This also homework. Next 12th question also homework. F of x equal to same model 3 cases for each. X power 10 minus 1 if x less than or equal to 1, x square if x greater than 1. This is also homework. 13 also same model. Is the function defined by f of x equal to x plus 5 if x less than or equal to 1, x square plus 1 if x greater than 1, a continuous function. Checking for continuous function or find the points of discontinuity. For everything we are doing one process only. You will check for the continuity. In that process we can identify discontinuous points also. Okay, na? Continuous function. Here also 3 conditions in this question also. What? Same case 1. X is equal to a less than 1, single function, you use first definition. Next, x equal to 1, LHL, RHL, f of 1 will find out. Next, this one, x is equal to a is more than 1. More than 1 means single function, x square plus 1, you use first definition. Same models I can do. Next, for next models, discuss the continuity of the function. Discuss the continuity of the function f, where f is defined by Previous questions we are finding points of discontinuity. Here we need to discuss the continuity. For any type of question they are asking, method is same only here. Either discuss the continuity or find the points of discontinuity. Okay. In this question number 14, f of x equal to 3 if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. 4 if 1 less than x less than 3. 5 if 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. See, in this question we have several conditions are there. Now in this, what we need to do here, the values wise, already we given one statement, the continuity in the closed interval a comma b at the extreme points is always a continuous. Which are extreme points in this? 0 and 10. That means at 0 and 10 separately no need to verify continuous or not. Every function f is always continuous in the closed interval a comma b, in that at n points always a continuous. We need to check the continuity in between the values. Okay. Case 1. Separate, I am not taking x equal to 0, x greater than 0, not required. I am taking single case. What here? 0 less than or equal to, in the place of x is a, that is less than 1. Because at 1 less than 1 is there, equal to 1 is there, and greater than 1 also there. That's the condition. So 0 less than or equal to a less than 1. Okay, na? Here I have only single function. What single function? 3, constant. Same, limit extends to a, f of x equal to, limit extends to f of x is what? 3, that is equal to 3. F of a is lying between from where to where? 0 to 1. 0 to 1 have infinite number of values again. Don't think 0 and immediately 1. 0.001 up to 0.999, we can write infinite number of real numbers. We are not able to check for all values, that's why you are taking commonly one symbol. F of a also what will get? 3. Here what? Limit extends to a, f of x equal to f of a. So therefore, f is continuous for all 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Next, case 2. Case 2 what? X equal to 1. At x equal to 1 you want to verify means we need to check LHL, RHL, f of 1. LHL, limit extends to 1 minus f of x equal to, limit extends to 1 minus means x less than 1. Less than 1, what is the function? 3. That is equal to 3. Next, RHL, limit extends to 1 plus. 1 plus means what? X is greater than 1. X greater than 1 also we can write 1 is less than x. Same meaning only. What is the function is there? 4. Limit extends to 1 plus 4, that is equal to 4. Next, f of 1. At x equal to 1, what is the function? 3. Here all, but here LHL is not equal to RHL. That's why f is not continuous. At where? At x equal to 1. Next, third case. You see in this 1 less than x less than 3, for all 3 values, so 2 values, a single function is different. That's why we are using third case is the a lying between 1 to 3. 1 less than, a less than 3, here single function, that is f of x is equal to 4. Again, no need to take x greater than 1, x less than 3 separately, okay na? Commonly is there. So here limit extends to a, f of x equal to, limit extends to a, what is f of x? 4. F of a value also what? 4. Because it's a constant, we can't replace x value in that function. So limit extends to a, f of x is equal to f of a. Therefore, f is continuous for all the values lies from x value lying from 1 to 3. Next, case 4. Case 4 is next. 3 less than x less than or equal to 10. Okay, na? Here what I am taking, 3 less than x value what here, a less than or equal to 10. Next, x equal to 3 you can do at last, no problem. Here also have single function. What single function? F of x is equal to 5. Same method. Limit extends to a, f of x equal to, limit extends to a, what is f of x? 5 equal to 5. Function value f of a also equal to 5. Both values are equal. Limit extends to a, f of x is equal to f of a. Therefore, f is continuous for all x value lies from 3 to up to 10. Next, last case. Case number 5, at x equal to 3. At x equal to 3, you want to check that point, means at the point, we will take LHL, RHL and f of a. First LHL, limit extends to 3 minus f of x equal to, limit extends to 3 minus. 3 minus means what? X is less than 3. What is the function is there? 4. Now it is again 4 only. RHL, limit extends to 3 plus f of x equal to, limit extends to 3 plus, 3 plus means what? X is more than 3. More than 3, or we can write as 3 less than x. This open symbol is there which says that is more. So x is more than 3. What is the function? 5. And f of a, f of 3. F of 3 means what? X equal to 3 also what function? 5. Here what happened? But LHL is not equal to RHL. So what we can define? F is not continuous. Not continuous. X equal to 3. At minus 3, so at 1, at 3, discontinuous. At remaining all values, it is a continuous. Next, question number 15 and 16 I will give homework, same models. F of x equal to set of 2x if x is less than 0, 0 if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 4x if x greater than 1. Here first condition, what? Case number 1, x is equal to a is less than 0. Single function, use first definition. Next, at x equal to 0 will do. After that, x is equal to, here see condition here, what here? For 0 less than x less than, or same condition only in values. So values wise same. Next, what you will take? 0 less than a less than 1. Equal to 1 means again we need to check LHL, RHL and f of 1. So we don't take equal to 1 separately, had to separate case. At x equal to a less than 0, at x equal to 0, second case. Third case is 0 less than a less than 1. Fourth case is at x equal to 1. Fifth case is x greater than 1. Okay, na? When you want to check at the point, in that case LHL, RHL, f of a. Only less than 0 or greater than 0 you want to check means single function, you use first definition. Homework do same models. I discussed already so many questions in this type of questions. F of x equal to minus 2 if x less than or equal to minus 1. 2x if minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 1. 2 if x greater than 1. Here also first x is equal to a is less than minus 1. Next second case is x is equal to minus 1. Third case is minus 1 a less than 1 equal to 1 separately we need to find, not at a time. We can't find because At point we need to check means LHL, RHL will be there. But for minus 1 less than x less than 1, single function only will come. Either x is greater than minus 1 or x is less than 1. Method is same. That's why third case is minus 1, a less than 1. Fourth case is x equal to 1. Fifth case is x greater than 1. Okay, na? This is the methods we need to follow. 17th onwards, few questions are very, very important for 4 marks. From this chapter, 4 marks question will come. In 10 marks questions, one question from this continuity. Find the relationship between small a and b so that the function f defined by f of x equal to ax plus 1 comma if x less than or equal to 3, bx plus 3 if x greater than 3 is continuous at x equal to 3. Already they given x is a continuous at 3. That's why for this type of functions what you have to take second definition, LHL, RHL, f of 3. Why we need to take here already given? So that the function is f defined by is continuous at 3. Already f is a continuous they given. That's why you are using formula directly. Given that f is continuous at x equal to 3. But here use which formula? LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 3. LHL value. Limit extends to 3 minus f of x. First write down f of x symbol and then substitute. 3 plus f of x. F of 3 means what? At x equal to 3, what is the function? Ax plus 1. That is a into 3 plus 1. Now substitute the function here. Limit extends to 3 minus. 3 minus means what? X is less than 3. Less than 3, what is the function? Ax plus 1 equal to limit extends to 3 plus. 3 plus means x is greater than 3. Greater than 3, what is the function? Px plus 3 equal to already what is that? A into 3, that is 3a plus 1. Substitute x value 3 here, a into 3, that is 3a plus 1 equal to here 3b plus 3 equal to 3a plus 1. 3a plus 1 2 times repeated, 1 time is enough. From this what we can take? 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3. Send this one that side. 3a equal to 3b, 3 minus 1, 2. A is equal to 3b plus 2 by 3. Now this is the relationship between a value and b value. 18th question. This is also a previous year question. They asked in supplementary exam. For what value of lambda is the function defined by f of x equal to lambda into x square minus 2x if x is less than or equal to 0, 4x plus 1 if x is greater than 0. Here we need to check continuous at 0 for what value of lambda. What about continuity at x equal to 1? Okay. Now we need to find lambda value. For that lambda we need to get continuous at x equal to 0. Next we need to check the continuity about x equal to 1. Okay. Now if you consider starting only f is continuous is at 0. Let f is continuous at x equal to 0. Here conditions given, that's why we'll use LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0. LHL means what? Limit extends to 0 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 0 plus f of x equal to f of 0. Limit extends to 0 minus means what? X is less than 0. What is the function? Lambda into x square minus 2x. So limit extends to 0 plus means x is greater than 0. What is the function? 4x plus 1. F of 0 means lambda into 0 square, 2 into 0, 0. Here also substitute 0 value. Lambda into 0 square is 0, 2 into 0 is 0. Here 0 substitute, 4 into 0 plus 1 equal to this complete value, 0. 0 minus 0, 0 into lambda is 0. Equal to 1 equal to 0. Is this possible? It is impossible. Never equal 0 and 1. That's why completely lambda is vanished from the condition. That means no value of lambda of f is continuous at x equal to 0. That's why therefore there is no value of lambda for f is continuous. F is continuous at x equal to 0. Next, we need to check the continuity at 1. X equal to 1 symbol is not there in question, but where will come? X is 1 at 1 is clearly what? Greater than 0. So greater than 0 means for all more than 0, what is the function? 4x plus 1. That's why your single function is there. F of x is equal to 4x plus 1. Single function means you will use first definition. Limit extends to 1, f of x equal to, limit extends to 1, what is f of x? 4x plus 1, x value 1 substitute, 4 into 1 plus 1, 4 into 1, 4, plus 1 is 5. Next f of 1, 4 into 1 plus 1. Again this also how much? 5. Here limit value and function value both are same. Therefore f is continuous at 1.